Hi guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video we will be unboxing the Ringke Fusion X case for the OnePlus 7. So as you can see, this is the Spygen OnePlus 7 liquid air case which I ordered last year for my OnePlus 7 in the Amazon Prime Day sale. The cost of this case is 1700 rupees, but I got this for 499, and similar is the Ringke Fusion X that we have right here, and this is my current case that I'm using with my OnePlus 7. It's just a 100 rupees case that I got from the local market, but unfortunately you can see that this is very thick. Though it provides good protection, but it is really thick, and sometimes it becomes uneasy for me to use this, especially when I put the phone with this case in my pocket. It bulges out a lot, so I decided to order this Ringke Fusion X case, as I got this for only rupees 499. The actual cost of this case is 1300 rupees, but with the Amazon Prime Day sale I got this for just 499 rupees. So this is how it came from Amazon, and it's a pretty nice and a secure packaging. So let's quickly go ahead and slice through the package and see what all content we have inside this. So I'll quickly grab my scissors and we'll do a cut and we'll rip the package and we will see what all different covers we have inside. So as you can see, we have two different kind of Ringke Fusion X case. So one is for the OnePlus 7 and the other one is for the OnePlus Nord 2020 version. So this is the bill, and as you can see that the total cost is 900 rupees approximately, and each case costs 499 or 480 rupees. As you can see, the total amount is 898 rupees. So it's a pretty good deal for a very well-known brand case like this. So let's quickly see what we have here. So we have one for the OnePlus Nord. As you can see, it says Ringke, and on the bottom we have the OnePlus Nord. But this is for someone else, so I'll keep this aside for the time being, and we will look at the one for the OnePlus 7, as this is for my own personal use. As you can see, it says OnePlus 7 6.4 inch. This is the camo black version. I really like this, and on the back we have some eco package indication that it's a very eco-friendly package, and we have the Ringke branding right here. So let's quickly remove the label and open the package. You can either open it from the bottom or you can tear from the top. So I decided to do this, and it's a very nice and secure packaging, and this is the case, nothing else inside this. So we have a small pamphlet that basically gives you instruction on how to remove the protective film so that it doesn't scratches during the transit. So let me quickly remove the plastic from the cover so that we can install the phone and see how it looks like. So it's a fairly easy process sometime to remove this plastic, and here it is. And as you can see, it says shock absorption technology, which is really nice. And on the bottom we have the branding again, and it says made in Korea. So this is of course an original product, and we have raised ridges so that it gives you a pretty good grip when you put the phone in and hold. So this is in comparison with my current 100 rupees case, and you can see how thick this local case is. It really is uncomfortable to use this thick 100 rupees case, so I'll keep it aside. And as you can see, this is the various kind of lines and camouflage color that looks really good. So I'll again bring in my phone and we will put the phone in the case and we will see how it feels. So this is my phone with the purple skin on the back, not the best looking in the world, but let's quickly put the phone in the case, and it's a really easy process to put the phone inside the case. It's a pretty snug and a tight fit. Your phone won't come out of the case even if you drop it. So this is how it looks like, and once again it feels really good and grippy in the hand. So let's see, on the bottom we have the appropriate cutout for the Type-C charging port and the speakers and the microphone as well. And on the other side, on the left hand side, we have the volume up and volume down button, which are pretty tactile, and you feel the tackiness when you press them. And also we have the on and off button on the right hand side. On the top we have the cutout for the secondary noise cancellation microphone, and on the back we have a deep groove for the camera, so that even if you put your phone flat on the table, it won't scratch the camera lens. And you can see how easy it is to use the ringer switch, whereas on this 100 rupees case it was really tough for me to use that ringer switch. So once again we can see we have the raised lip on the case, so that once you put the phone flat on the table, the screen facing the table, you won't get any scratches on your screen or screen protector or the tempered glass. But I'm using the plastic screen protector. I don't use any tempered glass, and as you can see how beautiful my phone looks with the combination of black camo and the purple skin. So if you want to buy this, the link is in the description below. The Ringke Fusion X case, I got it for 499 rupees. By the time you decide to buy this, the prices might have increased. That's all for this video. Do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, to subscribe, and thank you for watching.